dans le texte.
Hey guys, so I already did my brows and I'm basically just going in with my foundation. I use the Lancome foundation. The shade will be down below. And I mix it with a lighter tone just because it's kind of too dark right now for me. So I'm just putting on my foundation. And I use a big Real Techniques brush. And to do like my forehead and near my eyebrows, I use a smaller brush to do that just so it blends flawlessly. Like I don't want the big brush to brush off my eyebrows, so I use that. So guys, now I'm highlighting and I use my Makeup Revolution highlighter. That's why it's so bright. And I don't generally like my highlight to be that bright. So I go over it with Espresso, LA Girl Espresso. And I use the same brush that I put foundation on to blend out the concealer. I just feel like it helps not be too like harsh. It kind of tones it down a lot better. And then later on, I'll go in with my beauty blender and all of that. But for right now, I'm just blending it out with that. And of course, it doesn't reach like the inside, so you gotta use your beauty blender. And I'm a joke for that. You gotta blend really well, and then when you're done, go ahead and bake your face. I use Topaz. I have so many baking powder. Oh my gosh! But I'm using Topaz. Topaz is my favorite for dark skin. Like it doesn't make me look too ashy. Like all my other ones make me look ashy. I don't really be banging with it like that. But Topaz is my go-to. So I just put it in those spots you see right there. And that is black opal. It's darker, so I use it right up under there. You know, I don't usually do that all the time, but when I'm trying to really pop, I do it under there because I don't like it. It just makes my cheekbones like pop, and for some reason I don't like it. But today I did it. I wanted to pop out a little bit, so I put it there, and I don't bake my face for long. Like I take it right off because it be making me look ashy. So right when I put it on, I take it off like no more than 5 minutes. So I changed my brush just so I can make sure that I get all the powder off because that was my problem. Like I used to not wipe all the powder off and blend it out. So please, please, please like blend it out. Like make sure you're not looking white. And then girl, I'm gonna be contouring with my NW58 powder. I've been using it since 1996 and I'm okay with that. Like I like it. And it's not done yet. So I just use that to contour. And yeah. So guys, my next product that I'm gonna use is gonna be my MAC Raisin Blush. And if you are dark skinned girl, you need to get this. This is love. Like I love it so much. And after that, I use my CoverGirl bronzer because I've had it since 1996 and I love it, you know? Next, I'm going in with my favorite highlighter. It's from Makeup Revolution. It's actually a bronzer, but I use it as a highlighter and I love it. So, yeah, look at that. Love it. For dark skin, it looks so nice. It's not too yellow. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. And for my eyeshadow, which is coming, I'm using all types of red. You don't need these palettes that I'm going to list down below. I just used all types of red and I just put it all over my lid. I wasn't precise with nothing. And I just used gold and I basically did it, guys. That's pretty much it. Like, this is the look. It's just a quick, fast look.